So welcome to Techy Roque. You're watching this video, and if you want to install Parrot Os on your Oracle VM VirtualBox, that's this. So for the first downloading the Parrot OS, just go to the Chrome and search for the Parrot OS. From the first link, here's the site of the Parrot OS. This is the parrotset.org. So here's the link for the downloading. This is here, and also here just click it on, and here you need to choose which you want. All the GNU Linux version. So this is the all-in-one. So you need to download this. And this is a section you can download according to you. You want 64-bit or 32-bit. So here's the torrent links and mirror links and direct downloads. You can download it from here. So when you complete the download, you need to open your VM. If you don't have, you need to install it. So here just click on the new, and you can see this is the guided mode and this is the expert mode. So just click on the expert mode. Now here you can write the name of your operating system, this, and here are the some options. You need to just click on the other, and if you install the 32-bit, then you need to click on the 32-bit. If you have the 64-bit, then click on the 64-bit. And here there is no option, so just click on the Linux and just click on the other Linux 32-bit if you install that. And then I install the 64-bit, so just click it on. So I downloaded this Parrot OS AMD 64. After opening, just select it, and I'm entering the RAM. You can check it out. If you have 4 GB RAM, then you can select 2 GB, and if you have 8 GB, then you can select 4 GB of RAM. And I'm entering 4 GB of RAM. That's it. Just click on the create, and now here's the option: create a hard disk or not creating. Just create. Size of your virtual hard disk, option where you want to give your virtual disk. So I'm choosing my location. So after choosing the location, just click on the save, create. So now go to the settings, and you need to enter the storage. Enter the ISO. Just click on the storage, and this is the empty disk. If you can't see the empty disk, then you can add it from here. Choose disk. So just click on the empty disk and click on this, and I'm seeing this. So if you don't, just click on the, and now choose your operating system where you're located. Where's your ISO located of Parrot OS? Just click it on and click on the open. And this is optional. You can click on the bidirectional port and nothing. In the system, this is the RAM. In the processor, I have 8 cores, so you can select as you want. I'm selecting 3 cores. Just click on OK and select it on. Click on the start. So here now installation is beginning, and this is showing automatic boot in 10 seconds. So just click on the install, and now with GTK GUI install with which you want, like English. And here you can select your area, select your country or region. So I'm selecting this. Continue. Here you need to enter the username. I'm entering this. Here you need to enter your password. And here just continue. All set. 27.9 GB, and this is the SWAN 4.3 GB. Just click yes. System is installing, so just wait for it. Here you need to just click yes if you want the group boot loader. So click yes and continue. Here you need to locate the virtual disk, that is this. So continue and again wait for it. Group boot loader installed. Disabling this, just press Ctrl+C. Now all got installed. Just continue. Now it's completed and it's the boot for first time. Here, got it. Just enter your password. So our Parrot OS is installed fully. You need to just configure some settings here. Just select as suitable for you. Okay, so this is our Parrot OS. Just terminal is here. this is the full screen view. This is the perfect view from now. Here are all the applications, cryptography, education and games done. And the main applications in the Parrot section, these are information gathering and database exploration, password Wi-Fi and all. So thanks for watching.